Hi guys, today it's all about the Monster eco-friendly colour wash range of paints. This range of paints are very unique because they can be used on a range of different surfaces, which I'm going to show you shortly. Also, you can use them for both internal and external applications, but most importantly, the unique thing about the Monster colour wash range is that you don't need to dilute it. It is actually formulated and produced to give you that colour wash effect. A lot of other paints will might advise you to dilute with water, which weakens the strength of the paint. This paint has been produced and formulated that way that it gives you that effect, which many refer to sometimes as a Scandinavian effect, but it gives you that colour wash effect and delivers what you want, whether it's on the timber, brick or drywall surface. So join me now to watch how we apply this to various substrates. So as you can see with the colour wash range, it gives you this great effect where you still retain that timber grain look if you're putting it on wood, but it doesn't fully cover it. And so with all those different colours you can get a lighter effect or a greater effect. I could give this another coat, 2 or 3 coats if I wanted to either hide a bit more of it, but inside a retrofit or renovation this can give a piece of timber or wood a really big uplift. And same on brickwork. You can imagine on some old brickwork or existing brickwork how you can retain that texture of the brickwork face, but you get a nice colour effect. And this works both for internal and external. We've got the external grade as well. If you'd like sample pots of the colour wash range to trial first before you go ahead and order paint for your job, they are available from us. Don't forget to join the Facebook group, all about paint and DIY. And for those of you that join now, there's a special offer for you. So join up and you'll see that offer when you log in. And if you've got any questions at all about the paint or how to use any of our paints, the colour wash range, any of our makeover range, give our Monster crew a call now. You can DM us on Facebook or Instagram. We'd love to hear from you and see your paints. Any inquiries, let us know. Look forward to seeing your successful paint jobs shortly. Enjoy.